How to properly upload videos on YouTube the right way. First, you need to know what's going to be the title of your video. Before I film a video on my channel, the first thing I even think about is my title. If I don't come up with a good title, I don't create the video. One tool that I use is a tool called Tubebuddy. The link will be in the description. It will help you when it comes to your titles and your tags. And second, you need to create a nice professional thumbnail. At least a thumbnail that you know if the person see it, they will click on it. So your title and your thumbnail is what's going to determine if the person clicks on your video. This is one of my other YouTube channels that I don't use. I will be using this as an example. Click on that video icon. That video icon, you're going to see two options: upload video and go live. Select upload video. There's two ways you could upload your video. You could drag your video, or you could just click select files. The title of your video is going to be critical. You could either choose from a searchable title, meaning how to, how to read a book, how to drive a car. The second way is to come up with a clickable title, a title that brings a lot of curiosity. For example, if you're scrolling and you see a video that says, "Today is the worst day of my life." A video like that is not searchable, but it has a lot of curiosity. I make sure to go to YouTube just to see what's out there. This person created that video 3 years ago with 2 million views. As you can see on the right side, I downloaded Tubebuddy. With just the free option, you could do a lot with it. If you want, you could upgrade to the paid option. Whatever title that I want to come up with, I just search for it. After that, I click on Show Keyword Score. This tool is letting me know if this title is a good choice. Let me change it to How to Upload Videos on YouTube in 2022. The search volume is good, the competition is good, it's average. So that's one way I use the tool. Once you get your title perfect, let's upload our thumbnail. Canva is where I create my thumbnails. To create your thumbnail on Canva, go to the search bar, type thumbnail. A bunch of templates will show up. You could choose from any of these templates. This one looks like a good one. And all you have to do is just change everything. You could take the person out, upload your picture instead. You could change the words around, change the color. There's so many things you could do. As for me, I'm going to upload a random thumbnail. Most of your money will come from the description. All of those YouTubers that are making thousands of dollars, they make all of their money from the description. Never leave your description empty. In your description, start off by describing what your video is about. I will start with, in this video, I will be discussing how to properly upload videos on YouTube the right way. In my description, I always repeat the title. When you add it to your description a second time, your video is more likely to rank on YouTube. If you're a YouTuber, make sure to watch this from start to finish. After writing what your video is about, then you could start linking to your websites. Make sure to add all your affiliate links, your merch, your social media accounts. So since I mentioned Tubebuddy in the video, I will link Tubebuddy in the description. I added the Tubebuddy affiliate link because I'm affiliated with Tubebuddy. Anybody could be an affiliate marketer. Once you apply, they're going to give you a link. You could use their link to promote their products. If you go to any YouTube channel, big or small, you're going to see a bunch of affiliate links in their description. Make sure to take advantage and do the same thing as well. Another thing YouTubers do, they always link to the equipments that they use. It's my camera, tripod, lights, my mini tripod, the audio equipment I use, the video editing software that I use. Once you are done, scroll down. You're going to see an option that says playlist. It is not mandatory to create a playlist. That's if you want to. This option is very important. Basically, it's asking you if this video is created for kids. I always pick no. If you put yes, that it is created for kids, your comment section will be disabled. Plus, your video won't be able to get monetized. The paid promotion, you don't have to worry about that. Just leave that blank. Automatic chapters, you don't have to worry about it. Tags are very important. Same as your description. When you're coming up with your tags, the first thing I do, I add the title. So make sure to copy your title, go to your tag, start coming up with things that is relevant to your video. Another tag that I could think of, how to upload videos in 2022. Always use long tail keywords. Don't use one word when you're adding your tags. Like for example, like YouTube or video. If you can't think of any more tags and you need help, while you're uploading your video, you could open up another tab, go to YouTube and search for the same title. And while you're searching for the same title on YouTube, it's going to give you a lot of suggestions. You could add these as tags. How to upload videos on YouTube, how to upload videos on YouTube from phone. That is a good one. How to upload videos on YouTube 2022. Another option that you can do, add your title again. When you're using Tubebuddy, you could actually look at your competitors' tags. If we click on this video right here, now these are the tags that they are using. How to upload videos on YouTube, how to upload video on YouTube. If you want to, you could use the same tags. Alright, but you guys get the idea. Add as many tags as you want, but you're limited to using 500 characters. After you add your tags, make sure to select your language. Video location, you don't have to put that. The licensing option, you could leave that alone. Basically, people will be able to use your video to create shorts. If you don't want people to do that, just uncheck it. When it comes to the category, just select whatever category the video is in. A bunch of options from comedy to education. When it comes to the comment and ratings, make sure to select the second option. It says hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Click next. If you have subtitles for your video, then you could upload it right here by clicking add. I think end screen is important. The end screen actually helps when it comes to people binge watching your content. To add the end screen, click on add. You will be able to direct the person to a video after your video ends. Think of it as a call to action. So once your video ends, you could either direct the person to a video or playlist. You could tell them to subscribe. You could direct them to a channel, and you could direct them to a link. So what I do, I always select video and subscribe. Right when your video ends, these two things will show up. If you want to, you could add another video as well. I would definitely recommend you have only one video, because when you have a lot of options, people kind of freeze up. They just don't select anything. When it comes to the video that you direct them to, these are the options you have. It could be a most recent video, a video that is best for the viewer, or you could just choose what type of video it is. With me, I like to choose a video that is relevant to my main video. But again, like I said, you could do whatever you want. You could go ahead and choose this option where it says best for the viewer. And once you're done, click save. Adding cards is definitely not required. It's like a link that shows up at the top. It could show up at the right side. It could show up in the left side. To add it, just click add. Like I said, it's the same concept. As you can see, you could add a video, a playlist, a channel. I would say it's more important to add end screens than to add cards. After you're done, click next. So YouTube is just checking to see if you have any copyright issues. Be careful when it comes to the content that you put in your video. As you can see, it says no issues found. The final step is to publish your video. Alright, so these are the options that you have. You could put your video on private. You could also choose unlisted. This is the main thing to choose from. That means anybody could watch your video. To schedule your videos, select schedule. You could choose any date to publish your video. Sometimes it's best when you create a lot of videos and you schedule them. But if you want to upload your video right away, click on public, click publish. Voila, there goes my video. My video is public. And once you go to my description, these are all the links that I added to it. Next, make sure to check out my other video. It's called The Secret to Getting Your First 100 Subscribers. My name is Edgy, and I'm out. Say what's up. Say what's up.